Every year, between 26 to 73 million sharks are traded in the market all around the world. Far more are likely to killed at sea, though we will never know just how many. So in this video, we are going to know that why sharks are important for us, for our earth and for our future generation. So watch the video till end so that you can get the complete information. So let's begin. First reason is that sharks keep the food web in check. Many shark species are apex predators, meaning they reside at the top of the food chain or the food web. These sharks help population of their prey in check, weeding out the weak and sick animals to keep overall population healthy. Their disappearance could set up a chain reaction throughout the ocean and even impact people on shore. For an example, a study in Australia found that as shark number declined, mid-level predators like snappers increased while herbivorous fishes population sank. With fewer algae-eating fishes around, the algae overwhelmed the reef system and limited its ability to bounce back from bleaching and other disturbance. The second reason is that shark could hold cures for diseases. Yes, it's true. It has puzzled researchers for many years. Why don't sharks get sick as often as other species? Shark's tissue appear to have anticoagulant and antibacterial properties. Scientists are studying it for a number of medical conditions, including viruses and cystic fibrosis. Carbon is a critical element in the cycle of life and a contributor to climate change. By feeding on dead matter that collects on the seafloor, scavengers help as deep sea sharks, hagfish, and starfish help to move carbon throughout the ocean. In addition, researchers had found that large marine animals like the whales and sharks has comparatively large amount of carbon in their bodies, and when they die naturally they sink to the seafloor where they are eaten by scavengers. However, when they are hunted by humans, they are removed from the ocean, disrupting the carbon cycle of ocean. The fourth importance is shark inspired smart design. People have been practicing biomimicry imitating naturals designed to solve human problems for many years. However, recent advances in technology have made it possible to go even further in pursuit of efficient design. Great white shark can swim at a speed of 25 miles per hour, mainly because of small scales on their skin called denticles that decreases drag and turbulence. Invoice professional swimmers and innovative scientists mimic the design of these tentacles to develop a shark-inspired swimsuit, proven to make swimmers sicker and less resistant to water. An Australian company called Biopower Systems even designed a device resembling a shark's tail to capture wave energy from the ocean and convert it into electrical power. As the world looks for clean energy alternatives to fossil fuel, this kind of technology could be one promising solution. And the last reason for our today's video is sharks boost local economics. Over the last several decades, people fascination with sharks has developed into a thriving ecotourism industry in places such as Bahamas, South Africa, and other island countries. According to a study published in 2017, shark tourism generates more than 300 million US dollar a year and is predicted to more than double in next 20 years. In Australia, shark diving tourism contribute more than $17.7 million annually to the regional economy. These activities support local businesses like the boat rental and diving companies and provide more than 10,000 jobs in 29 countries. Several studies have indicated that in these places sharks are worth much more alive than dead. So these were the reasons why we should care sharks and not hunt them. Hope you enjoyed the video and gained lots of information. If you did, hit the like button and do subscribe to our channel so that we can reach our aim of 1000 subscribers as soon as possible. And also the links of our social media platforms are given in the description. Do check them out once. Hope you enjoyed. If you did, please do comment below so that we can know. And thanks for watching.